blades in this thing, And this one is not good. Probably be a good thing to. There's another pin, right? Yeah. So this holds it on the front. There's a pin there, isn't there? Yeah, look, yep. So if you took that off and these two pins, I think you pull it right down. What does this do? This works on a spring. That's a floating cap. That would come off easy, man. We just start it up and we put it over there so you can get your car out if you need to. Metrics absolutely suck. We seem to use them for everything now. Yeah, I got lots of metric. 15mm on American tractors. So what do you think about that, brother? Isn't John Deere's American and they're putting 15mm on there? Something wrong. Now what's bent in that picture? This whole thing right here. Yeah, everything's bent. Okay. Now, you have a shaft that we can put on there to go. Yeah, put it on there. Oh, I can move it a little bit more. Okay. I don't think it's really on there. Just seeing how close it can get and focus and the detail of it. And put on. Gosh, you don't even know what this is. Dad, I'm going to just drop the deck, okay? How much mowing you need to be done? I got to fix this for Dave somehow. Well, you're going to have to get it brazed. Your house.
Yeah, right. Oh, no? Yeah. I'm going right to your house. How bad is it?
A couple guys get on there.
Sorry, I had my priorities mixed up. I was shooting video.
So we go.
Adam, do me a favor. Grab on the other side there and see if we can get it up on the top.
On the top? Yep.
That's it.
What you need to do, Galen, is you can need to throw me. Okay.
Okay. grin for the camera?